Thanksgiving is the perfect time to indulge in delicious desserts, and guess what? They can be healthy too. Get ready to be wowed by these 10 simple 3-ingredient treats. First, imagine a vibrant pumpkin yogurt parfait. Layer creamy Greek yogurt with bright orange canned pumpkin puree and drizzle golden maple syrup on top. A sprinkle of warm cinnamon adds that cozy touch. Next, picture banana ice cream. Freeze ripe bananas until they're icy, then blend them into a silky smooth cream, finishing with a splash of fragrant vanilla. It's naturally sweet and oh so satisfying. If you're in the mood for chocolate, combine rich cocoa powder, creamy almond butter, and sticky honey. Roll this mixture into bite-sized balls and chill them for a decadent snack. Crunchy apple slices dipped in almond butter with a hint of cinnamon make for a delightful and satisfying crunch. Have you ever tasted coconut macaroons? Mix fluffy shredded coconut with airy egg whites and sticky honey, then bake them at 350 degrees until they turn a beautiful golden brown for a chewy delight. Berry chia pudding is another standout. Combine tiny chia seeds with smooth almond milk and your favorite juicy berries. Let it sit overnight to transform into a thick, nutritious treat. For a quick dessert, mash ripe avocados with rich cocoa powder and honey to create a velvety mousse. Refreshing peach slices drizzled with honey and a squeeze of zesty lime juice are a burst of flavor. Mix oats, mashed bananas, and dark chocolate chips, then bake at 350 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes to create delicious cookies that melt in your mouth. Finally, blend sweet dates with crunchy walnuts and a pinch of salt for a rich energy bite that packs a punch. These desserts are not just easy to whip up, they're healthy and sure to wow your guests.